How to fix that the archive is either in unknown format or damaged error solution. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you are facing this issue of archive is either unknown format or damaged, here are solutions that you can try. Firstly, you can download the file again. Sometimes the file may not have been downloaded completely or may have been corrupted during the download process. So once that is the issue, you can try downloading the file again from the original source. The next possible solution would be using the software called as 7-zip. Go to any of your browser and go to 7-zip. It is a free and open source file archiver software that is widely known for its high compression ratio and support for variety of archive formats. Tap on the download button as per your compatibility of the Windows and you can enjoy the features of 7-zip such as high compression ratio, wide format support, integration with Windows Explorer, encryption and password protection, splitting and joining archives, and much more. It is quite easy to install 7-zip, which is you just have to tap on install button and you're good to go. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.